Yeah, rise and shine. We're here, Seattle. The weather's good. Kind of had to knock on some wood to get this weather. Definitely thought it was gonna be muddy, but it's actually looking pretty solid. So, off week, got a little rowdy, but it's chill. We're still here. We still made it to the race. That's all that matters.
We're back. Feeling good. I like the rain, but I mean, it's not that muddy, you know. Their works did a great job with the track, you know. It's coming from Brazil, we definitely don't have that. We would be on a really muddy race today. But yeah, track's looking really good right now, and just excited to be back here in Seattle. 2023 a race here, so it was good to me, and just happy about it.
What do you want? Bit wet, but should be right. Probably gonna get some gnarly ruts, but it is what it is.
Track looks pretty good. A couple soft spots, but really not much. They've done a great job, so excited for racing.
Oh my God! Did you see me? I almost died. Like, I was the first one to hit that 3 in that rhythm, and I landed on a hay bale. I was like a second and a half quicker. Putting a little ass spanking on him.
How do we feel about those ruts?
It's not bad. It's not bad. It has potential. We'll be good. It was good.
The track's really spongy, or not spongy almost, it's kind of like super tacky, and it pulls you left and right, and it's hard to time the rhythms with how much it drags the bike down. But yeah, looking forward to getting a good result in the heat race, to have a good gate pick, and trying to put it in the top 10 tonight for sure.
Feeling good. I've made a transition to move to Florida. Been training with TJ Albright and other teammate Jackson Driscoll there. So when I race these rutted tracks, the more I ride them, the better I feel. And I've been pretty inconsistent crashing wise and injury wise. So it's tough. Like, we didn't get free practice this weekend. So you're just thrown right into it, quality one straight away. And you get 20 minutes on the track, you better learn it, or, you know, and then dumb things like me crash and take out 3 laps out of that 20 minutes. So you're down to about 15 minutes on the whole, you know, time, and, you know, then you subtract another three or 4 roll laps, and you only get about 7 fast laps by the time the night starts. So overall, though, it's going to be a good night. I think the track crew is going to pull through, and it's going to be fun. I got first heat, so fresh track. Won't have anything to complain about there.
I had a little bit of time off because I had a concussion, so I was just trying to treat that. And yeah, just get ready for Seattle, get some outdoor prep in, and yeah, get ready for this. It had kind of a slick top layer, and it's kind of breaking through that now, getting some ruts out there. It definitely is not as muddy as we thought. It's definitely got ruts that grab you, but looking forward to qualifying too.
A little bit of bike issue that last practice, so didn't get into full practice, but it is what it is. Just gear up for the night show and come out swinging in the heat race and have a good main event.
How was your time off?
Boring. Definitely would like to, you know, race more weekends, but that's the way she goes in Supercross, kind of just race once a month, but it's all right. Just got to go back, work on some things, work on the bike, and just get things better, so.
Seattle is going pretty good. First time ever here, so I'm pretty excited for everything. It's cool. Track's pretty fun overall. It's definitely technical with all the rain. You could tell that they kind of rushed the build, but with how they're prepping it, they're crushing it. So P4 going into the night. It's my personal best qualifying ever, so I'm pretty amped on that. And yeah, I feel like I was gelling with the track more that second qualifying session than the first one, so I feel like I'm kind of just getting started, so I kind of just want to keep riding and build off of it. So really looking forward to the night show, and yeah, just clicking off more laps.
It will be good. I got my fast lap taken away from me, and you know, I'm not very sitting in a good spot, but you know, I'm just gonna reset, and yeah, we'll be swinging out for the heat.
I wasn't watching qualifying. Why'd you get the lap taken away?
Well, there was a red flag. There was a red cross flag. I went like rolled the triple, and then I went double, and they took my lap away for it. But You know, it's fine. You know, I'm just gonna reset and come out for the heat.
So far, pretty good. Been, yeah, good day, chill, honestly, with no free practice, just getting right into it in the qualifiers. I think I'm sitting P3 going into the night show, so feel good. I've had a lot of good luck at this track before, and yeah, looking forward to go racing. It's really soft, really deep and grabby, but well, not deep, but it's soft, and yeah, so yeah, looking forward to it.
It's been pretty solid so far. 1-1 in qualifying, and yeah, for our first heat, bust out of the heat, and then yeah, night show. It's all West Coast guys this weekend, and then next week, or not, the week after that, we go back to an East-West shootout. So yeah, plan is to go out there and have some fun.
Tell me what you can tell me about your weekend.
I'm a 19-year-old in an Audi R8. That's all I'm gonna say. We was having fun.
Yeah, lucky it's not raining today, so that's good. I'm in A practice and battling with those guys, so I feel good. Excited for another round to get under my belt, get a good start, and see where we can put in ourselves.
What's kind of your expectation versus reality with the track here today?
I mean, you're gonna have to be calm, patient with it. It's gonna get super rutted, but yeah, better than what we expected with all the rain that happened this week. So yeah, everyone's on the same track, so just got to deal with it, ride like I know how to, and try to put in a good result.
Yeah, we got a simplified day, no free practice, so it's actually pretty nice. Like, able to sleep in a little bit this morning, and yeah, track's not as wet as it was supposed to be with all the weather that came in, so it kind of feels like Indy out there almost, and a little bit of rocks in the soil, so yeah, really similar to Indy, and yeah, sitting really good right now. P1 in qualifying, it's the first of the year, so I got to get off the gate, and yeah, I think just use my speed tonight, and yeah, maybe we can win.
Yeah, man, we're here in Seattle. We had a bunch of rain all week, but we dodged it for today. Weather's nice. Dirtworks did an awesome job keeping it, dry. Definitely soft and techy, but so far so good. Qualified first in the first one, which is great. First time all year. And then ended up third in the second qualifier. So yeah, so far so good, and we're hoping to keep the ball rolling.
Here it is, first time tonight. Revs are up, gates down. But Cody Schock, who's been a revelation this year, had his first career podium earlier this season on the Muck-Off Plum MX Yamaha in the lead.
Yeah.
5 years ago, even just making the main events was a goal, and now winning heat races, looking for his second heat race win of the year, and he's going to do it. Cody Schock wins heat race number 1. As we get ready for the second 250 heat race. Deegan rockets out of the start, and a big hole shot.
Davies, he's on the inside. That's going to be good coming into this right-hander.
And then a triple, and Davies takes the lead from Deegan. Michael Bozeman down and gets tagged. And now Deegan has gone down in the turn right before the finish line. Chaos here in the opening lap. And there it is. Another heat race win for Cole Davies. Rider out of New Zealand takes it. Deegan, the come from behind effort, gets to third. Revs are up. Gates down. And Cooper Webb a good start. Barsha and Roxon going out at third, fourth, fifth. But this battle for the lead is good. Perfectly lined up for victory is Justin Cooper taking the win. 250 main event, Seattle. Let's go. And it's Cole Davies and Julian Beaumer battling for it. Marchbanks in third. Oh, Deegan goes down.
Oh boy.
Championship leader.
You're gonna have to put the work down now. Let's see if Deegan goes to the inside.
Of course, he goes for it and takes the spot. Deegan doesn't get away. And up ahead, Cole Davies is going to become the 10th different 250 winner this year. Career first win for the New Zealander, Cole Davies. There's Deegan. Marchbanks gets second, and Deegan takes out the podium. Oh. Words, Deegan and Beaumer.
Here we go.
Where's my address again? Don't post my address. That's my family. That's public. Don't post my address. That's my family. What happened? Look what happened. Look what happened. Hey, next time I got you. Yeah, next time. Put me down. That was nice. Put me down.
It was awesome, dude. Thank you. It was awesome.
Yeah, I just said, bro, you just run, like, dude, why are you, like, gotta post it on your story? Like, how much attention do you want? So it's like, it's cool, whatever. I mean, he got it.
Man, that was good. Feel like it's a bit overdue after like Glendale and stuff, but you know, to get it done in my rookie season is a big achievement, and man, I'm stoked. I'm beyond the moon, and the road really good, and just stoked. Can't thank the team enough.
How will it turn out as the revs are up? Gates down in Seattle.
Clutch start for the number 2, Cooper Webb, no surprise. I tell you what, Cooper Webb's about to get passed by his teammate like he did in the heat race if he don't pick it up.
Oh, this is great stuff with multiple lines on this track. All 4 riders in the same shot.
The lappers is with
Sexton. Sexton makes the move, RC.
Yep, it's going to go to the
Sexton has an opening. Sexton takes second from Webb.
Coop's going to be fired up right here. He is not going to like this.
And he runs him wide.
You see that? Whoa, they both make a mistake.
Yeah, somehow it's actually going to work out better for Webb. Here it is. Last corner, RC. Sexton's hustling. Webb tries to go to the inside. Sexton runs out of room again. And Webb wins Seattle.
No way.
Practically an instant replay of a year ago.
Copy and paste.
Man, that was a crazy race, man. It really was. Those conditions and the way it went down, that late charge, it was a true slugfest. I feel like me and Chase were absolutely going for it for those conditions, and it was whoever made the least mistakes, and I was able to get around them late and held on, man. It was much needed after last weekend, you know, terrible result. So stoked to get back up front.